car companies are some of the, for all we want to say about them being kind of boring and dull and slow moving, they have a century of figuring out that rushing some technologies to market can be a giant disaster. I mean, as we've seen, I'm going to again use General Motors as an example, but this is an example of a mess up.
Your check's in the mail, man.
No, you'd be thinking of Peter. He's the GM fanboy on our side. No, okay, so the GM, the Bolt battery recall fiasco, that was a problem with the supplier, but the point was that ended up being an incredibly expensive recall for the company because, again, when you rush new technologies to market, especially when they haven't had every kink, every single wrinkle ironed out, has massive potential to backfire.
Sure.
And vehicular automation is one of those new young technologies that, frankly, if it goes wrong, and the times that they have gone wrong, they have killed people.
Right.
You're looking at like, who wants to take on that responsibility? Who's going to be the first over the fence? And will it pay off for them?
Yeah, but I mean, the first one through the wall, it's the bloodiest, right? I mean, it's the way that it is. But
right, but then, I mean, to James's point, who wants to do that, especially when it's costing you billions of dollars? Like, you literally have to just burn through money to figure it out.
People like I don't know, like Elon Musk, like Jeff Bezos,
right,
like
who can
there
afford
are people out there. Well, of course,
fall on that sword.
I'm not going to be the guy to do it. Like,
I mean, at the same time, if you're putting the technological might of the likes of Amazon and Google behind this technology, and you're fundamentally coming up short,
right?
Right.
Yeah, but I mean, there is something about human ingenuity that's I don't know, exciting to me about that, because who knows? I mean, if we don't have it yet, what's the bridge between here and there, and what can come up from doing the exercises? We'll see. Time will tell. But it would be cool, man. Like, I would like, before I die, for a car to pick me up, take me somewhere.